To log in to HDFC mobile banking, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection and the HDFC mobile banking application installed on your device. If you do not have the application, you can download it from the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Once the application is installed, open it and click on the Login button. You will be prompted to enter your customer ID or username and password. If you are a first-time user, you may need to register for mobile banking by clicking on the New User Registration option. During the registration process, you will be asked to enter your customer ID, account number, and other personal details. You will also need to create a password and a 4-digit PIN for added security. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password and PIN to protect your account. After registering, you can log into the application using your customer ID and password. You will then be prompted to set up a 4-digit PIN or fingerprint authentication for future logins. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. To ensure safe and secure mobile banking, always use a secure internet connection. Keep your device and application updated, and never share your login credentials with anyone. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to HDFC customer care immediately. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely log in to HDFC mobile banking and manage your accounts on the go. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your login credentials confidential to protect your financial information.